everyone, welcome back to the channel. Currently kind of cleaning this up, picking up some of the beans. My pumpkins have some kind of, I guess, mildew or something that started growing on them recently, so I'm going to treat them. I'm also going to put down some more beans because I am picking everything that I have so far, and I'm just going to put a bunch of them more down. Also, I got corn here, over there, and hopefully one here. I lost a couple of pumpkins. I still have this one, hopefully still keep growing. There's a really bad storm that came through yesterday and beat the plants down. Like, most of them now look like this with holes on them, and really beat up, unfortunately, out here. And then these were doing absolutely beautiful in between the weather yesterday and whatever's eating them. They look awful. So I sprayed some stuff on them. Hopefully that will help out. This is watermelon. I still have like one there and here and there, and again with the storm it actually dropped a bunch of them. The gandules look beat up with the storm yesterday. All the leaves, like, it broke a bunch of them, so they all practically look like this, so it's kind of sad. As far as the plants in here, they're okay because they're in here and they're pretty much protected. So these are all the peppers. And as you can tell, some are growing better than others, which I'm okay with because, I mean, I have a lot of them growing. I still would like some of these to grow, but those back there are doing well. Ginger's still looking really good. Parsley took off. And again, this is from like the storm yesterday, so I'm going to try to clean up a lot of these leaves. And cilantro, it's growing. The tomatoes have gone a lot taller, especially this one here. And they finally have a few flowers, so hopefully I get a few tomatoes. I still have this mini jungle of, I'm going to call it sage, and then there's like some thyme trying to grow over there. I have no hope for that. Oregano, it's right over there. And this is looking absolutely beautiful. These are still fighting to grow. I have flowers, but I have no hope. This is my cantaloupe. And I'm still fighting with these, but my mom found a spray that's working out really well on these, so I've been cleaning out my summer squash, and I'm going to come through as well and pick a lot of these up. And my peas all kind of died, basically, but there's more coming, so yay, I'm not sure. And then I have some cucumbers growing. Look how big that one is. And then I think this little fella needs to be picked up because he's starting to change color. And these two, you can tell, like, I've been fighting a lot to kind of keep them clean. And I have some more cucumbers growing. The kale, this one's finally like growing, and some of these are finally growing, but they still look a little Frankensteinish, like I've been calling them. I kind of gave up on the spinach, so I might just clear this out and put something else here. And these over there are still fighting the cabbage, but then all of these, I'm not sure if they're gonna make it, but look how nice this one looks. And again, like, from the storm yesterday, they're covered in dirt and everything, so I'm gonna try to clean them up a little bit. It actually kind of broke that leaf there, but this is what that one looks like. These onions, these are the white onions that, I mean, yeah. The carrots are growing, and my purple onions, so a lot of the leaves are actually kind of breaking, so I've been actually using them to cook. So I come out here, pick a few, cook with them. Oh my goodness, this is the lettuce, and I gotta pick some of this too, so I'm probably gonna pick some of this for tonight and have a salad. I had a little bug come in here and kind of like highway in there, so I bought some spray and got most of it, so I'm going to pick as much as I can, rinse this out really well, and have some for dinner. Like you can tell, those are trying. That back there is supposed to be more lettuce, but I'm not sure if it's going to grow. But these are huge and beautiful. These are my neighbor's goats. And that is more kale and more kale. I don't know, that they're just funny looking at this point. And my iceberg lettuce, yeah, that's still very small. Also, this is the broccoli, and it's still kind of fighting to grow. And then I have more growing with the rainwater and everything. And then look how beautiful strawberries are. So my plan for right now is to come through, clean everything up, and pick some stuff up, take it inside, and then go on from there. Cut up some of the onion leaves, I'm going to use those for dinner tonight. I picked up some lettuce and rinsed it out, and then I picked up a bunch of seeds for the flowers. So I'm put out, let them dry out, and then put out. And then I picked up beans, and I already opened like a couple of them. So here's are some of the beans, and some are pink, some were a little pale, and then some red beans. And I did put down a bunch more seeds for the beans, and then I picked the beans that the rest of them that I could pick now. I picked those. So I have those sitting in a bowl. I'm gonna let those dry and then open them up, and then tomorrow, or hopefully by this weekend, I can go and get the rest of them and then just keep going. All right, so I picked the first little cucumber, turned to a little bowl, and it started to turn yellow, so I picked it, and look how beautiful it looks. So I ended up cleaning the lettuce, cutting it up, and I made some dinner. I have to still put like cheese here and a couple other things, but I am going to have a little salad for dinner tonight. I had a lot to eat earlier today, so I'm trying not to go too heavy on dinner because my stomach was a little upset earlier, but this is basically what it's looking like. And I did try some of the lettuce, and it's so yummy, so I'm going to leave some for EJ so he can try it as well. Noah tried it, and it's a little different from him because he's used to the other one from the store, so this is a bit more tasty. But it's very good. So with that being said, I'm going to end the video here. Have a good rest of your day. I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and have a good one.